Title: The History of Honor, from Huawei's sub-brand to global success. Hello and welcome to Techie Auto. Honor was founded in 2013 as a sub-brand of Huawei, aiming to provide affordable yet high-quality smartphones for younger consumers. The brand quickly gained traction due to its stylish designs, solid performance, and competitive pricing. By leveraging Huawei's research and development, Honor was able to introduce impressive devices with advanced technology while maintaining affordability. Early growth and success. In its early years, Honor focused on budget and mid-range devices that appealed to younger audiences. The Honor 6 and Honor 7 were among the first models to gain widespread attention, offering flagship-like features at a fraction of the price. The brand later introduced the Honor View series, which pushed the boundaries of mid-range smartphones by incorporating high-end specs. By 2018, Honor had expanded its presence beyond China, entering markets in Europe, India, and the Middle East. Its aggressive pricing strategy and sleek designs helped it build a loyal fan base. During this period, Honor also began experimenting with innovative features such as advanced AI cameras and high refresh rate displays, which later became industry standards. The Huawei ban and Honor separation. In 2019, Huawei faced major trade restrictions due to U.S. sanctions. As a subsidiary of Huawei, Honor was also affected, losing access to key technologies like Google services and Qualcomm processors. This was a turning point for the brand, as its global expansion plans were put on hold. To save Honor from the sanctions, Huawei made a bold decision in 2020. It sold Honor to a Chinese consortium, making it a fully independent company. This move allowed Honor to negotiate its own deals with suppliers, regain access to Google services, and continue using Qualcomm and MediaTek processors. Honor's comeback and future innovations. Following its independence, Honor made a strong comeback with the Honor 50 series in 2021. This was a crucial launch as it marked the brand's return to the global market with full Google app support. The company continued its momentum with the Honor Magic series, which introduced foldable devices and flagship-level innovations. Honor has since shifted its focus from being a budget brand to competing in the premium smartphone segment. The Honor Magic V and Honor Magic 5 Pro showcased cutting-edge display technology, powerful processors, and advanced AI-driven photography. Beyond smartphones, expanding into a tech ecosystem, Honor's position in the market today. Honor is now an independent, rapidly growing company that competes directly with brands like Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi. With a focus on innovation, AI-powered features, and premium designs. What do you think about Honor's evolution? Let me know in the comments.